Hi, it's Pam with Crafty-Goodness. I'm here to show you how to make these wood faux suede leather bracelets. You're going to need a 13-inch piece of faux suede leather. You're going to need one of our wood bracelet pieces. You're going to need 6mm pinch crimps, some jump rings, a clasp, pliers, and some scissors. The first thing we're going to do is take our 13-inch piece and cut it in half. Now we're going to take one of the halves, line up the ends, find the midpoint, and we're going to make a lark's head knot. We're going to push the loop through the wood, comes out the back, and take your ends and run it through the loop. And then we're going to gently pull and nudge this knot right up to the edge of our wood. You can tug on the leather a little to make sure the ends are even. We're going to do the same thing with the other side. We're going to find the halfway point of our leather, make a loop, push this through the wood, grab the loop, put the ends through the loop, and gently tug this up. You want to put the loop through the front to the back so that your lark's head knot comes to the front of the wood. If you do it from back to front, your knot will be on the back. We're halfway there. We're going to take these ends. These are not quite, well, if I stretch it a little, they are. We want them to be as even as we can, and we're going to grab a 6mm pinch crimp and put this right on the ends there. Squeeze it tight. You can use pliers if you like, but your hand squeeze is enough, and it's stuck on there. We're going to go the other side, again with the pinch crimp, pinching it down, and then tightening it up. Now we add our clasp. We're going to grab a jump ring, find where the opening is. You can use another pair of pliers for the opening, or you can use one of these handy jump ring tools. Jump ring is gone. Use it to open up the ring, put it through the end, and close the ring back up. And then we're going to go to the other side. Again, a jump ring. Use the tool to open it. Put the end through, and this one needs a clasp. And then close it back up. Make sure they're done. And it's done. To make this an adjustable bracelet, you can add extra jump rings here, or you can actually add a piece of chain so that it's a little bit more adjustable. 13 inches is about the right length for most people's wrists. And there you have it. 13-inch length of leather is enough for most standard wrists. Adding the chain makes it a little bit adjustable, makes it adjustable for people with larger wrists, and you can also go smaller if you know you're doing them for youth. Thanks for joining us at Crafty-Goodness.